In today's video, we are solving a tricky exponential equation. The equation is this: square root of x, again square root of x equals 2 to the power of 15. There are 4 options given for the value of x. First, let me solve it using the normal longer approach and then followed by a shortcut. Both the methods are useful in their own ways, so stay with me until the end of the video. Solution. Let me simplify the algebraic expression on the left side of the equation first, which is this. I'm not writing the right side of the equation, I'm just simplifying the left side alone. As you can see, there are 4 square root signs here. We will remove them one by one, starting with the innermost square root, this one. Before that, I would like to discuss a few simple points from laws of indices which are useful in solving this problem. We know that if x squared equal to y, then x is square root of y. And the square root of y you normally write as y to the power of 1 over 2. Similarly, if x cubed equal to y, then x will be y to the power of 1 over 3. This is same as cube root of y. This is square root of y. And if you extend this idea, if x to the power of m equals y, then x will be mth root of y, which you can write if you want like this. And as an exponent, you can put it this way: y to the power of 1 over m. So basically what do you observe? When you take the power to the right side, it changes into the reciprocal. 2 becomes 1 over 2, 3 becomes 1 over 3, m becomes 1 over m. We can extend it further. If you have x to the power of a over b equals y, then x will be y to the power of, when this is taken to the right side, it will become the reciprocal, y to the power of b by a. These points we will be using a lot in simplifying the algebraic expression given here. Now let's come back here. See, this square root of x, I will write as x to the power of 1 over 2. See, square root of y, y to the power of 1 over 2. Similarly, square root of x, x to the power of 1 over 2. Now look at these two terms. We can simplify that separately. X means x to the power of 1 multiplied by x to the power of 1 over 2. This equals x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2, which equals x to the power of, on simplification, you will get 3 divided by 2. I made use of a simple law of exponent like x to the power of m multiplied by x to the power of n equal to x to the power of m plus n. So let me plug in x to the power of 3 divided by 2 for x multiplied by x to the power of 1 over 2 in the next step. And this has been simplified to this 3 over 2. Now in the next step, I'll remove this root sign. So how will it get removed? See, square root of x 3 over 2. When you remove the square root sign, whatever inside you write first and the whole raised to 1 divided by 2. You can compare this to this one. And this again, you can simplify like this: x to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, which is x to the power of 3 over 4. Here I have used law of index like x to the power of m, the whole to the power of n is x to the power of mn. That's what I have used for converting this into this. So here it becomes, that is this. And on simplification, you got x to the power of 3 divided by 4. So x to the power of 3 divided by 4. Now again, we will simplify these two. Like we did here, you will be getting x to the power of, see, this is 1 actually, 1 plus 3 by 4. Using this law of index, simplify that. 1 plus 3 by 4, which is x. 1 plus 3 by 4, on simplification, you will get 7 over 4. Now, this is x. This will be square root of this expression. So, square root of x to the power of 7 over 4. You can write it like this: 7 over 4, the whole to the power of 1 by 2. And this will be 7 by 4 multiplied by 1 by 2, 7 divided by 8. So, you have x 7 divided by 8. Now, we will simplify these two. Here you have 1 Here you have 7 divided by 8. When you add 1 and 7 divided by 8, you will be getting 15 over 8. And this will be x to the power of 15 over 8, the whole raised to 1 by 2. And this will be x to the power of 15 over 8 multiplied by 1 divided by 2, which is x to the power of 15 divided by 16. So what do you observe? The given expression with the 4 square root sign has been simplified to this one. So this you can write in place of the long algebraic expression in the given equation. So let me rewrite the equation again. This is the equation we are given to solve. Now this has been simplified to x to the power of 15 over 16, this left side. So I'm just substituting the simplified value of this algebraic expression. The right side is 2 to the power of 15. Now we're finding the value of x. All you need to do is take this exponent to the right side. And I've already shown that when the exponent is taken to the right side, it will change into its reciprocal. Basically, this is what you're getting. See, x equals 2 to the power of 15. This is what you have on the right side. Then when this taken to the right side, the whole to the power of 16 divided by 15. This equals 2 to the power of 15 multiplied by 16 divided by 15. These two 15s will cancel out and you will have 2 to the power of 16. So the solution of the equation is 2 to the power of 16. As per the question, 2 to the power of 16 is the first option. So that is the correct choice. Now I'll show you the shortcut. See, we have spent a lot of time simplifying the algebraic expression into this form. That's where we'll be using the shortcut. See, this is what you had. We got it simplified to x to the power of 15 over 16. Look at the number of square root sign in the algebraic expression. There are 4 root signs. So what you do is, whatever you have written here, which is x to the power of 2 to the power of 4, where 4 denotes the number of square root signs, minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 4. You simplify this, you will get this. 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 16 minus 1, 15. And this is 16. So supposing you had 5 root signs, the simplified form will be x to the power of 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 by 2 to the power of 5. And that will be, this is 32 minus 1. So you will get 31 by 32. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So that's all. You look at the number of square root signs you have. Supposing you have n number of square root signs, then you will have x to the power of 2 to the power of n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of n. This is the shortcut. You don't need to waste time simplifying this algebraic expression. See, the more the number of square root signs, the more the time needed to simplify it. So given an equation like this, using this shortcut, you can immediately write the equation into this form and you can solve it using the simple rule of indices as given here. That's all. It won't take even 1 minute if you do this through this shortcut given here. I will leave a simple problem for you to work with. Square root of x, square root of x, square root of x, square root of x, and this goes to infinity. And that's equal to, say, 2. What is the value of x? You solve it and give me the answer in the comment section. And also, if you want to detail the solution of this equation and the shortcut, please drop your comments. If you found the video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.